Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. So today I'm preparing homemade tawa pizza for our iftar. You can make as an evening snacks also. This is kids all-time favorite. Kids would be love it. So let's get started. So for pizza dough preparation, here I have taken 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoon curd or yogurt, 1 tablespoon suji, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and around 1/4 to half cup warm water you need it for kneading the dough, and 1 tablespoon any oil. Now mix all the ingredients properly, mix it with hand, and then with warm water knead the dough on softer side, and then cover it, keep aside for half an hour to rise the dough. Here we are not using any yeast, so baking soda and curd help to rise the dough. Now meanwhile we will prepare pizza sauce. So for that we needed 4 to 5 garlic pods crushed and cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 medium onion cut into very small pieces just like that, 1 medium capsicum cut into small pieces, 2 medium sized tomatoes. I have taken out the seeds and then cut into small pieces, around 1 teaspoon Italian mixed herb, few basil or tulsi leaves, and half teaspoon oregano powder. If you have, the taste will be more good. I don't have, so I just skipped it. Now heat the pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil or any other oil, then sizzle garlic and chili flakes in it. After that add onion, capsicum and tomatoes in it. Fry it properly. Add seasoning in it, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder along the mixed herb and basil leaves. Now switch off the flame after 2 or 3 minutes. I added 1 tablespoon tomato sauce also in it. Let it cool for room temperature, then we'll be grind it in order to make coarsely fine paste. Now in another small pan I added half tablespoon oil and I added thinly sliced veggies like onion, capsicum and tomato. I will be use them for topping. Toast it 1 or 2 times, then add little bit salt, little bit crushed black pepper and mixed herb, and then keep aside. Here our pizza sauce mixture cooled at room temperature. Then keep them in jar and blend it. Pizza sauce is ready. Checking our dough, And it's done almost already. Now again 2 or 3 times knead well with the hand. I equally divide this dough into 2 portions. Now take one portion and gently press and spread to make a round pizza shape. And it's done. Now heat a pan, apply little bit ghee or oil, then put pizza on it. Spread it well with the hand. Wait for 2 minutes so that bottom part cooked well, and then gently flip it. Flame should be slow to medium only. Now spread pizza sauce on top of it. Then put the saute vegetables like onion, capsicum and tomato. I'm adding little olives also. You can choose your favorite veggies as topping, but saute it once as we are not cooking in oven, so veggies should be saute first. Then add mozzarella cheese and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. I added one sliced cheese also, then again cook it for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, just check the pizza. If it is done, then take out in a plate. And here our delicious and yummy kids all-time favorite pizza is ready to serve. Do try at home and let me know the feedback. As you know, Ramadan is going on, so every day we used to make any refreshing drink like Nibu Pani or Ruafza or any juice. So this time I tried Faluda jelly drink. Well, that's a store-bought packet from Laziza company. I just made accordingly. So there are 2 packets inside, one small for jelly and another one for Faluda. First we'll set jelly, so in a small bowl add jelly packet, then pour warm water around 200 ml, then stir it well, keep aside to set the jelly. Now I have taken a wide wok or karhai. I added 1 liter milk in it and then half glass plain water to stir it well. When it comes to boil, add another packet of Faluda mixture in it. Stir occasionally for 10 to 12 minutes in slow to medium flame. Now after 12 minutes, switch off the gas and wait till mixture become cool down at room temperature. Then keep in a jar and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. Serve chilled. Meanwhile, I kept the jelly also in fridge to set properly, and then after an hour, I cut into cube shape. Now it's all set. Keep the jelly into Faluda mixture and then serve in a glass with any ice cream on top. Our refreshing Faluda drink is ready to serve. Hope you like my video. Do try at home. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, we'll be see you all in my another video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.